Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video: how to open a broking account with Robinhood tutorial. To open broker account with Robinhood and your needed sign up, target their website and mobile app. Open its application and approve your founded account. You can start think stock option and crypto. Robinhood speaking trading and he sees commission. This means after all traders can without broker fees. You can also get it in free debit card when to Robinhood and his zero transaction fees. So you can visit zero transaction fees, visit ATM. ATMs are made purchase USA and without particulars. Codes parked and areas catering and report account and properties similar, however simple, always easy. So interest guiding in step by step. The open brokerage account with Robinhood. Banner guide opening account, Robinhood open account, how to open account. If you prefer written industries, you can reading this guide. This guide shows sign up Robinhood using Android app, mobile app. Here are step by step started down. First, download app. Download Robinhood app in App Store, Google Play Stores. Sign up to open the account and create welcome screen. If you first time created Robinhood broker account, you can get notice about free stock in this office available new Robinhood invest. Thus access arrow get to stock buttons process opinion. Opinion Robinhood safer. Following screen, we in run and purchase sign up bonds continue. Import your email address. Press the continue button in the gate verification private discount pop-up reader and also more information tab privacy policy links. Open invest course openness and code continue to tab pop-up this don't mode purchase. Add password. Create Robinhood password. Create password and Robinhood account. Here are tips. Strong password. Don't use and password not only dumb in but you easy get to hack it and also is investment. Avoid it using and such birthday similar names in place. Some who is now and about guess this intake access your still your monitors. Do you use comparator generator numbers and maximum security more and tab 5 enter your name and numbers. Please enter your full legal name, enter legal name about showed and password ID. What is your phone number? Confirm your phone when to corporate and numbers. Fill out and first letters first last name of team tape continue. Enter your phone numbers and press continue again. Online investment course. Next you are needed confirm your numbers. Choose interest your card receive 6 digital codes. 6 verification your numbers. Enter your verification code A text message with verification code has been sent to your numbers. Successful, your phone number is verification. Change your phone number. A feature you needed verify again. Enter your verification code received if you were in successful notice. Press continue to move on. 7. Input your birth date and address. Date of birth, revenues and collection this information. Recognition address and required your collection this information. Enter your address. We your neighbor in some details. Online investment course. Enter your date of birth and your continue buttons. Next, fill out your address details and process it. At verified your citizen and CSSN. Citizen numbers and the collection this time information. United States, United Kingdom. Social Security number removed and collected this information. And Afghanistan, Atlantis and American symbol. Selected your citizen and list. The selected is ones of citizen. City names your information legal and enter your social security number. Press continue. 9. Especially your investment experience. How much investment experience you have. Commission fees in option trading with gold. Choose your option with form preferred. How to must invest in experience you have. If you trade somewhere you can add it here. Tap in note in continuous. Add employment details. Area employed and revenue and employment. Select your employment status and list by typing on next. Fill up employment information. Press in the continue button. 11. Describe your industry status. All your family members or seniors access 10% share and publicly traded companies. If you don't and when it doesn't apply do your family members in work in other brokerage. If you're missing in Brokerage Account apply your by law and Robinhood broadcast and also these two questions and provides industry traders so you can learn more. Answer both and process trial check, ratify and submit application. Take minutes and reviews following agreement. Thank you. Helping your keep and information up to date. If you in certified it introduction. Read and acknowledge. They can review application and press submit and button. Submit to continue. 13. Links your bank account. Start with letter is a $1 trading fund and revenue account and can starting trading. Smart emails you can don't need it starting your press in the biggest account and $15 link my account. Press in the link account button your contact your bank account and revenue and transfer funds. Read and links bank series. Press continue process. Select your banks. Scroll down to list in preferred bank and then tap on it. Bank family matter next your interest get press submit button. Note for guide and scan bank and step when to scale just you then and control precious and exit security account. Verify your identities. Create 4 digital PIN with your success in Robinhood account. Next, upload additional document verification. Verify your protect account. Love hat. Press the continue and done note for this guide and choose escape now. Every son you started later 15. Wait and approval. This is step processor. You can until account is approved. Few days. Verify your identity. This protect your confirmation information. Your drive lesson passport where needed. Photo and verify your identity. Help private funded upload photos and menus. You complete any pending step. Your set dashboard overviews and menu expert Robinhood account and visit your website and learn more. Web strictly targeted. What is next? You are just and learn open a broking account with Robinhood where's your son and few approve. Now time and naturally in compare link investment. You can also check in tutorial how to buy shared amazing Microsoft and popular companies and the most similar about money and list personal financer and books. This worth reading. Anyways, this in buttons below and share, post and other learn and open account trading now. How to instrument different 15 ways. How to get red stable you have to use in for 24 hours your weeklies and profile. Would the smart people how to organization your worth and provide tutorial. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.